Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off autoplay on Rumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, you first gonna go ahead access your Brave browser that you have installed. So for the info, you cannot do it from your Chrome browser, you have to switch to Brave itself. Once you have done so, go to the search bar and type in rumble.com as I have done so, and this will simply lead you to the official website of your Rumble, and you can do it from both your laptop, desktop, or your mobile itself. Once you have done so, you're gonna go ahead tap on this three dot icon given below, and for the laptop's purpose is gonna be on top right corner. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will show all of the settings for your browser itself. Go ahead, scroll down, tap on the settings icon given below, and this will let us open another menu of options which we need. So we're going to scroll down till we find this option called site settings below the notifications, and now we're going to go ahead, scroll down till we find this option of autoplay right here. You can see, right? We're going to go ahead, tap on it, and we're going to simply turn this off. Once the orange colored icon turns to the gray one, it's simply turned off. If you would like to turn it off again, you can change it from over here. Then you can go back and you're gonna simply go ahead, refresh your site again, and then you will be done. The autoplay will be stopped. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.